raining like crazy. It's coming down and how? Wow. Not even sure if you can hear me above the din that is the rain. It's raining so hard and coming down so fast. The gutter is all flooded. The water coming down faster than you can flow off. So the whole place is like full of water. Everybody has kind of gone in and settled down in the home, except for Coco, who is here keeping me company.